Hey, John, quick question. When was the last time you ordered food in English and felt completely confident?
Never? I always get nervous and just point at the menu.
Well, you're not alone. Today we're going to change that. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when ordering food and drinks in English. Plus, I'll share a secret phrase that native speakers use all the time. It'll make you sound super natural.
Really? I need that.
Welcome back to Speak Right English, everyone. I'm Cathy, your friendly English teacher, and I'm here with
John, I'm your fellow English learner, ready to make all the mistakes so you don't have to.
That's the spirit. Now, ordering food might seem simple, but for non-native speakers, it can be really stressful. You're hungry, there's a line behind you, the waiter is waiting, and suddenly all your English disappears.
That happened to me last week. I wanted a burger without onions, but I just froze.
Exactly. But here's the thing. Ordering food is one of the most practical English skills you'll ever use. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just at an international restaurant, you need these phrases. And the good news, once you learn the patterns, you can use them anywhere. All right, John, here's our game plan for today. We're covering 4 essential skills.
Let me guess. Number 1 is how to greet the staff?
Exactly. First, we'll learn polite greetings and how to get the waiter's attention properly. Second, we'll master the art of ordering politely, not just I want, but phrases that make you sound friendly and respectful.
What about when I don't understand something on the menu?
That's our third point, asking for clarifications and recommendations. And fourth, we'll practice handling special requests, like no ice or extra sauce. Plus, I've got that bonus phrase I mentioned.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Let's start at the beginning. John, how do you usually get the waiter's attention?
Excuse me. Hello, waiter?
Okay, that works, but let's make it more polite. In English-speaking countries, we say, "Excuse me" when you have a moment, or simply raise your hand slightly and make eye contact. Never snap your fingers or shout.
Oh, that's different from my country.
Cultural note right there. Now, when the server comes over, they'll usually say something like, "Hi, what can I get for you today?" Or, "Are you ready to order?" Your response should be friendly. Try this. "Hi, yes, I'd like to order, please."
Hi. Yes, I'd like to order, please.
Perfect. Listeners, pause and repeat that phrase 3 times. Remember, "I'd like" is much more polite than "I want." Now, John, here's the golden structure for ordering anything. "I'd like" or "could I have" plus what you want. Let's practice.
I'd like a coffee.
Good start, but let's make it even better. "Could I have a large coffee, please?" Notice how we added the size in please?
Could I have a large coffee, please?
Excellent. Now, everyone listening, repeat after me. Could I have a burger, please? I'd like the chicken salad, please.
Wait, when do I use I'd like versus could I have?
Great question. They're both polite and interchangeable. I'd like is slightly more direct, while could I have is a tiny bit more polite. You can't go wrong with either. Let's do our first role play. I'll be the barista at a coffee shop. And John, you're ordering your morning coffee. Good morning. What can I get started for you?
Oh, good morning. Could I have a medium cappuccino, please?
Of course. Would you like any flavoring in that? We have vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut.
What is hazelnut?
John, that's perfect. When you don't understand, just ask. Let me continue as the barista. It's a sweet, nutty flavor. It goes really well with coffee.
Oh, okay. Yes, I'd like hazelnut, please.
Great choice. Anything else for you today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Excellent job. See how natural that sounded? Now, let's talk about those moments when you're confused. John, what if you don't know what something is on the menu?
I usually just avoid it.
No more avoiding. Here are your power phrases. Excuse me, what's in the or could you tell me what the is? Or my favorite, what would you recommend?
What would you recommend? Oh, I like that one.
Servers love giving recommendations. You can also ask, is the chicken spicy? Or does this come with fries? And here's a mini cliffhanger. What do you think is the most common mistake English learners make when asking about food?
Grammar?
Nope. It's being too shy to ask questions. Native speakers ask questions all the time. How big is the large pizza? Is this enough for 2 people? Can I get that without onions? These are totally normal.
Can I get that without onions? That's what I needed last week.
Exactly. Let's practice customizing orders. Repeat after me. Could I get that without... Pause. Could I have extra cheese on that? Is it possible to have that on the side? Time for our second role play. This time, we're at a nice restaurant. I'll be your server, John. Good evening. Have you had a chance to look at the menu?
Yes, but I have a question. What's in the Mediterranean pasta?
It has penne pasta with sun-dried tomatoes, olives, feta cheese, and our house-made pesto sauce.
I don't like olives. Can I get it without olives?
Absolutely, no problem at all. And what would you like to drink?
Could I have a glass of red wine, please? Wait, actually, what would you recommend?
Our Cabernet Sauvignon pairs beautifully with pasta dishes.
Sounds perfect. I'll have that, please.
John, that was fantastic. You asked questions, made a special request, and even asked for a recommendation. Before our bonus tip, let's quickly cover mistakes to avoid. John, can you guess the #1 pronunciation mistake with ordering?
The food names?
Close. It's actually the word water. Many learners say water or waiter. It's water. Practice it. Could I have some water, please?
Could I have some water, please?
Perfect. Another mistake. Don't say give me. It sounds rude. Always use could I have or I'd like. And remember, in North America, tipping 15-20% is expected.
That's a big cultural difference.
Okay, John, ready for that secret phrase I promised?
Yes, what is it?
When you can't decide or need more time, native speakers say, I'm still deciding, but, or I'm torn between, and these phrases buy you time and sound super natural.
I'm torn between the burger and the pizza.
Exactly. Or try this one. Everything looks so good. Servers hear this all the time, and it's friendly and natural. You can follow it with, what's popular here?
Oh, wow. Everything looks so good. What's popular here? That's so much better than my usual panic.
Right? These little phrases make a huge difference in sounding natural and confident. All right, everyone, we've covered a lot today. John, what's your biggest takeaway?
Definitely that it's okay to ask questions. And I love could I have instead of I want.
Perfect. Now here's your homework. Yes, fun homework. Go to any coffee shop or restaurant this week and use at least 3 phrases we learned today. Start small. Maybe just order a coffee using could I have a medium latte, please?
And don't forget please and thank you.
Exactly. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Speak Right English and hit that notification bell. We post new episodes every week to help you speak English with confidence.
And leave a comment. Tell us your favorite food to order in English or share a funny ordering story.
Yes, we read every comment and might even feature your story in a future episode. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. You've got this.
See you next week on Speak Right English,
where we make English easy, practical, and fun. Bye, everyone.
Bye! Now I'm going to order that burger without onions.
Perfect. See you next time.